Hello! Today, which path is heading into the Wild West of Arizona? Now let's be real, I am not a hiker. So can a non-hiker like me still have a blast in Sedona? Spoiler alert, absolutely. I flew into Phoenix, America's friendliest airport. Seriously, everyone is smiling in that airport and nice. It was completely surreal. After renting a car, we drove 120 miles north to Sedona. Okay, here's travel tip number 1. Hotels in Sedona can cost you an arm, a leg, and maybe even your firstborn. So we stayed south of Sedona near Bell Rock in the village of Oak Creek. And guess what? The drive into Sedona was jaw-droppingly gorgeous. We stayed at the Element Hotel. A link to the video tour is here. The Sedona area is famous for its red rock mountains, serene beauty, and something called vortexes. Yeah, I said vortexes. Not the kind that's going to suck you into another dimension, but the kind that'll recharge your soul. Think of them as nature's wireless chargers for humans. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button below and subscribe for more travel videos. Alright, let's talk about vortexes. Sedona is famous for these swirling centers of energy that make people feel like they've just had a triple espresso shot, minus the jitters. You'll feel inspired, recharged, and uplifted, like you're ready to conquer the world, or at least unpack that suitcase. One of the most powerful vortexes is right here at the Chapel of the Holy Cross. This architectural wonder looks like it was dropped straight out of a sci-fi movie and into the Red Rocks. Completed in 1956, this chapel has been a beacon of spirituality and Instagram-worthy photos ever since. The 30-foot high crucifix and Christ sculpture was installed in 2018 and it was done by James Muir. Some people say visiting this place is like hitting the spiritual jackpot. Miracles, inspiration, recharged energy levels, this chapel's got it all. It's like the universe's way of saying, you've got this. This is considered a spiritual haven. Plus, you get a view of the mansion of the guy who invented LASIK surgery. You could say he had a visionary idea. Now, this was probably the only hiking that I did while I was in Sedona. The path up to the chapel is a paved, flat surface that slopes upward. It was an easy walk. Now, travel tip number 2 is parking can be an issue here. We did see some spots at the very top if you have a handicap placard, but we also did see some people driving golf carts to help transport people from that parking area up to the start of the pathway to the chapel. Travel tip number 3. Turn off the highway at every scenic vista. Seriously, every single one. You will be so mind blown. It was gorgeous. Next stop, shopping. Sedona is known for art galleries, crystal shops, and many local handmade items. Travel tip number 4. Do something out of character and unexpected. What did I do? I got my aura read. And my aura is indigo blue, which apparently means I'm calm, compassionate, and idealistic. Also slightly gullible for paying someone to tell me that, but it was fun, and this is vacation. Vacation should be fun. Have you noticed all the traffic circles? Arizona loves them. I'm pretty sure I drove through more traffic circles here than in my entire life. If you're not slowing down for a traffic circle every 5 miles, are you even in Arizona? This sculpture of a couple dancing surprised me. It went from being a normal statue to spinning round and round. This is another sculpture from James Muir. For lunch, we hit the Salt Rock Kitchen at the Amara Resort and Spa. The views from these patio tables were incredible. We went tapas style. We had plates of skillet corn, chips, salsa, and guacamole, jackfruit carnitas, and pork belly tostadas. It was like a party in my mouth, and everyone was invited. Travel tip number 5. Order something different. What is a jackfruit? It is a fruit that is in the fig and mulberry family and can be substituted for meat. Our next stop is the Airport Vista Overlook. We're going to head over on Highway West Arizona 89A, turn on Airport Road, and drive up the mountain. Yes, we're going to have to pay $3 to park, but you're going to get a view that's so spectacular, it should come with a warning. May cause excessive awe and uncontrollable picture taking. This is also the site of another vortex. Just look at all the majestic red rocks of Sedona, standing tall and proud, unaware of all the countless selfies they'll star in today. This view is nothing short of epic. It's like Mother Nature's IMAX theater. Travel tip number 6 is wear lots of sunscreen and drink lots of water. Trust me, you don't want to end up feeling miserable and sunburnt. Let's take in the beauty of the golden hour as the sun goes down and the red rocks begin to glow. And here's my final travel tip, number 7. Souvenirs. Sedona is a tourist paradise, which means tourist prices. Before you splurge on that must-have souvenir, remember you might find it cheaper in the next town over. So if you fall in love with something, make sure it's true love and not just a vacation fling. And what are my final thoughts on Sedona as a non-hiker? I absolutely loved it. The views were incredible, totally unique and breathtaking, and I didn't have to go on a hike to see them. Safe travels!